Hello friends, myself Dr. Ritvi and I welcome you to our channel Homoeopathy The Healing Power. Friends, today we are going to see homeopathic medicines for summer complaints. Friends, in this video I am going to discuss with you some clinical conditions which commonly occurs in summers and their related homeopathic medicines. Friends, I would like to clear one point here, that these are the indicated and most frequently used medicines. But sometimes the medicine may change depending upon the symptom similarity of your patient. Also friends, the medicines which are included in the summer complaints, among them majority of homeopathic medicines are discussed on our YouTube channel as a detailed visual drug picture. So I will be posting their video link in I button one by one and also in the description box. If you have not watched those videos, then you can go and watch this video and get a detailed knowledge on each drug individually. So friends, let's see the summer complaints and their homeopathic medicines. But before that, if you are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all, so that you will get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homoeopathy The Healing Power. Like this video and share this video. So let's get started. Friends, let's start with the most common clinical condition which occurs in summer season, and that is headache due to heat of sun. Overexposure to sun or heat waves causes sudden headache, and if this headache is being treated with homeopathic medicines, it gives a fast relief in a short period of time. The homeopathic medicines indicated for this summer headache are: number 1, belladonna. The symptoms of belladonna headache are: the patient suffers from headache, of course, due to heat of sun. The headache starts suddenly and violently. Here friends, generally right-sided headache is seen. The more pain is felt by the patient at the supraorbital region. And there is a throbbing type of pain felt by the patient. This headache is aggravated by slightest noise, jar or by light, and it is ameliorated by tight bandage. During headache, the patient's face looks very red with redness of eyes. The second medicine is Natrum Carb. Friends, Natrum Carb is a medicine where all the complaints are caused due to bad effects of heat of summer. So here the headache is caused, of course, due to heat of summer. Also, the headache is here caused due to chronic effect of sunstroke. That means the patient has already suffered from sunstroke and now he is suffering from headache due to the bad effect, or we can say due to the chronic effects of sunstroke. Here the headache is felt in the occipital region. There is a tearing and shooting type of pains. The headache gets worse by mental labor, from exposure to sun or from exposure to heat waves. During headache, the patient suffers from great exhaustion due to mental or physical exertion. The third medicine for headache is Natrum Mur. Here, the headache is caused due to exposure to sun or due to loss of vital fluids. Friends, here left-sided headache is seen. A very typical sensation is felt by the patient in headache, and that is the patient feels that as if thousands of little hammers are knocking on the brain. There is bursting type of pain during headache. Generally, school-going girls suffers from these type of headache, and a very typical modality is seen. The headache gets aggravated from 10 to 11 am from heat of sun and especially from sunrise to sunset. And this headache gets ameliorated by exposure to open air and after profuse perspiration. Friends, the fourth medicine is Glonoine. It is most important medicine for sun headache. Here the headache is caused due to exposure to heat of sun, when the heat falls on the head or when walking in the sun. Here patient has very unique sensation. Patient feels that the head is getting enormously large, so that as if the skull were too small for the brain. There is a throbbing and pulsating type of headache. The throbbing and pulsating pain is so severe that the patient holds the head with both the hands. There is intense pain, and due to this intense pain, patient feels that as if the head would burst. There is a great soreness of head felt by the patient. Generally, the headache increases and decreases with the sun. This headache gets aggravated from slightest jar, from shaking, or from lying down, or in exposure to sun rays. And this headache gets better by bending the head backward and from covering. Friends, let's see the second clinical condition which is common in these days, and that is heat exhaustion. And most of us suffer from this heat exhaustion. Friends, heat exhaustion occurs when the body gets too much heated. For example, after working in outdoors in summers, the body generally regulates the temperature by means of sweating. But when there is an dehydration, at that point heat exhaustion takes place. Symptoms like sweating, fatigue feeling, headache, pale skin, dizziness, faintness, nausea and vomiting, weakness, and sometimes muscle cramps are seen in heat exhaustion. Friends, homeopathic medicines like Glonoine, belladonna, and Natrum Mur can work here wonderfully. At the same time, friends, we should not forget that constitutional medicine can also overcome these symptoms. Friends, let's see the third most common clinical condition, and that is sunburn. And the homeopathic medicine for this complaint is first, belladonna. Friends, belladonna is indicated for sunburn where there is a sunburn with redness of skin. There is so much sensitiveness of skin seen in a patient. The skin is generally shiny, dry and hot and very much burning in nature. The second medicine is Cantharides. Friends, Cantharides is indicated for sunburn where there is a sunburn with blister formation. Also, there is a burning sensation and raw sensation, but Cantharides is indicated when there is a sunburn with blister formation. The third medicine is Apis mellifica. Apis is indicated for sunburn when there is stinging and burning pain. The skin is very sensitive to touch. Sometimes itching of skin is also seen. The fourth medicine is sulfur. Here in sunburn, sulfur is indicated when there is severe burning and itching. Here, the skin is very much sensitive to atmospheric changes. There is severe itching due to sunburn, which is followed by severe burning, rawness sensation, and soreness of affected part. So friends, these are the 3 clinical conditions discussed in this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming series of summer complaints and their homeopathic medicines, where we will be discussing some more clinical conditions and their related homeopathic medicines. Like this video and share this video among your friends, classmates and among your family members. Subscribe the channel to stay connected. Thank you for watching.